Hello everyone, welcome to Contactzilla, our platform designed to help you manage and deploy contact lists across your entire organization, across hundreds or even thousands of devices. And this is an overview of the system, so we're just zooming out and I'm going to give you a walk through the essential concepts, and then the videos that follow will break down each step in detail. So Contactzilla is built around a simple 3-step workflow. Number 1, you build your team structure and import your contacts. Number 2, you can customize your contacts with labels, tags, and custom fields. And then number 3, deploying your contacts to devices. First, you'll create your team, and this represents your organization or department. Within your team, you'll create contact lists, or address books as we call them, and these are collections of contacts grouped in whichever way suits your organization. So for example, I have a team set up for Skyline Development Group, which is my imaginary property development company, with address books for internal staff, critical partners, and so on. And then you'll import your contacts into these address books, either by adding them manually, uploading a CSV file, importing vCards, etc. You then invite your team members, and you're in complete control over who has access to which address books and their access levels, whether it be full access or read-only. Step 2, customize. Once your contacts are imported, you can use our organization tools to add labels for easy filtering, special group tags, and custom fields, which can be anything you need, such as badge numbers, employee IDs, etc. Step 3, deploy. Here's the fun part. This is where you deploy your contacts to your team's devices. So we can start by creating a device connection. We select the address book, we choose iOS or Android, and then we can manually push out these contacts to specific team member devices. So I can select them here and select their access level, and then we create the connection here. And now I can download the provisioning profile. We send it to that phone, tap to open it on the device, and the contacts appear in the native phone app. But if I'm using an MDM to roll out to hundreds of devices, I can assign this to an MDM user. I can set the number of devices, hit create, and after downloading this profile, I have everything I need to deploy this via my MDM software, whether that be Intune, Mass 360, Jamf, etc. So let's recap. To begin using Contactzilla today, log into your account and create your first team. Set up your address books and import your contacts. Then you can customize them with labels and group tags if you want to, that's entirely optional. And then you create your first device connection and deploy. And that's it. Centralize contact management across your entire organization. In our next videos, we'll dive deeper into each step, from onboarding your team members to setting up advanced device connections with labels. Thanks for watching this quick introduction to Contactzilla. We're excited to help you transform how your organization manages contacts.